If you've been the victim of any type of police misconduct, you need an experienced civil rights attorney. With more than 30 years of experience in both state and federal courts, Patrick Goeckel specializes in helping victims and protecting citizens from abuses by the police.
I don't think that there is any field of law that's any more important than the field of civil rights and police misconduct.
At the law firm of Patrick Goeckel LLC, our attorneys focus solely on civil rights and police misconduct cases.
Handling a civil rights case or a police misconduct case is a specialty unto itself, and those cases should best be handled by an attorney who handles them on a regular basis. We have the experience and we have the know-how and the dedication to handle these cases properly and to make sure our clients get the justice that they deserve.
If you need an attorney to fight back for you, call Patrick G. Goeckel LLC for a free consultation today.